Okay, Mary says, I have version 2019, 21, 22, and now 23. So how can I bring the brushes and other things into my 2023? Do I have to import or copy and paste? Well, you can do file, import content from previous versions. However, it does not really import them. What happens is that it will add them to your file location. Meaning, if you decide to uninstall an older version of PaintShop, you will lose those supplies. So the best way would be to copy and paste them somewhere else on your C drive that is not going to be affected with any installation crash or corrupt files, and then use the file location to point to that one master folder, if you call it, if you want. You can make subfolders that are going to be 2019, 2021 if you want, but you don't have to. I have all my brushes and all my supplies inside a the ones I create. I have my PSP files, and I have brushes, masks, plugins, picture tubes. So all the picture tubes that I create for myself, for scripts, and so on, I put them there. If you were using just the regular supplies that came with PaintShop, they're probably in the creative content. So if you download them with 2023, they might be the same. But I know that in 2023, if you go to the home page and you go into the store, you go here to the creative content, you'll see here incentive content pack 2023. I think it's the first year they called it like that. So this is going to be the content specifically for 2023. I'm not sure if all the content from 2022 is going to be part of the creative content or not. So that's why you might want to make a copy of those supplies, put them somewhere else, and that way, if at any point you have to uninstall your program or something happens, your computer, well, I guess if the computer crashes, the whole thing, you're going to be stuck, but make sure you make a backup. But uninstalling a corrupt file program, you would lose some of your supplies. So it's really not fun. It's not, when you uninstall, it's supposed to give you the option to not touch your documents. So the default ones that are created in here, documents, Corel, no, PaintShop, and then everything in those, they should not touch. But it happened once for me that it did. It was not supposed to, and it deleted everything. I was just lucky that I had very few and I had a backup. But don't take any chance because you're going to cry. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!